I fall like a star from the heavens. I fall into your arms.
Good morning. It is Valentine's Day and I am starting today looking crazy. I went to yoga today, which was the first time in a very long time. I think the last time I went was like back in November. Look at the roses Alex got me. They're so pretty and they're pink. I am trying these two from Round Lab. This is the Camellia Deep Collagen Firming Gel Mask, which is what I have on here. It's pretty much the same as like the Biodance and the Peach and Lily, like all of those collagen gel masks. And then this is the Collagen V-Lifting Gel Mask, which is what I have on here, which is making me look really crazy, but because I have a small face or small head, this ear hole part is supposed to go around your ear, but the first time I tried doing that, it didn't lift anything because it was too loose. So I tied it with a ribbon this time. We'll see the results in, I'm gonna try to keep this on for 4 hours. It says the minimum is 30 minutes, but I feel like that's not long enough. So I'll check back in later. Let's make a protein shake. Oh, Jesus. I like to mix milk and water because I don't like it when it's too thick. And this is the protein I use. This is from Parallel and it's vanilla flavored, 20 grams of protein, no bloat fiber. This also has creatine in it. This bottle is from Visp, an electric blender inside. There's 2 modes. I think I've showed you guys this bottle before, but yesterday I went to an event and I didn't show you guys this, but I also got this mini bouquet. But I am super obsessed with these roses. They smell so good. Finally finished Singles Inferno yesterday, season 5. I wasn't really surprised by the results of the couple. I'm gonna watch the reunion right now. Let's do the shed. What do we think? I feel like it did kind of lift. Like my face is slightly more V. I don't know. I just did my hair and now I'm gonna do my makeup. So we're doing omakase for dinner and we always like to get the last seating so that we're not being rushed and we can take our time and chat with the sushi chefs and stuff like that. So our dinner reservation is at 9 and we are going to Sushi by Boo, and I think they have like a Valentine's Day menu, which is 17 courses, which is the most.
Did you see that?
What?
The light dimmed a little bit just now.
No.
And then it turned back on.
I didn't see that.
My thought is like, you know, if you're doing that fast, it's like hard to experience.
Yeah, it's really good. We're at Annie's Pizza and we're about to try the most stunning dresses ever, and we're so excited.
Yes.
Like everything is so beautiful. I want to try so many pieces, but we're on a time crunch.
So glad we're doing this together though.
Same.
It's both our first times here.
Yeah.
Good morning. I can't believe it's the last day of February already. This month went by so freaking fast. Also, why do I look so crazy? I got some oxtail a few weeks ago when I went grocery shopping in Chinatown, and I guess they were giving away like bags of oxtail if you hit a certain amount, which I did. And so I'm gonna try to make oxtail soup today so that it could be ready for tomorrow. It's also Andre's birthday tomorrow, which means we're going out tonight. So it's gonna hit when we are hungover tomorrow. I am also on the hunt to find a very small birthday cake for Andre because it's only the three of us. And my go-to shop, which was called Tasty Cream, is permanently closed. I am very sad about that.
Please proceed to window 6.
No, thank you. Thank you. Here's the haul. This is the daikon for the soup. Got some tofu for lunch and then some puffed tofu that I wanted to make some noodles with. And then this is the konjac jelly noodles that I was talking about. They're so good. And I am defrosting the oxtail bones here.
Powers at the end, right?
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Andre. Happy birthday to you. Yay.